Hi explorers, my name is Omar. My sister Yasmin and I are travelling to Egypt to visit our grandparents. I love going on planes, but I don't like it when my ears get sore. When planes take off and land, the air pressure around us changes quickly. Inside our ear, there is a little tube called the eustachian tube that helps balance our pressures or equalize when we are high in the sky. Sometimes this tube doesn't work, and that's when our ears start to feel sore or blocked. To help your ears equalize, you can try blowing your nose on takeoff and landing. You can also try sipping water or chewing on gum or a lolly. Wearing special earplugs for flying can help control the pressure change too. Did you know babies cry during flights because their ears hurt? They don't know how to blow their nose or swallow to make their ears feel better. Remember, it's normal for your ears to feel a bit funny when you're on an airplane. I hope my tips will help you feel more comfortable when you travel. Ear nurses taught us all these great tips when I went to get my ears cleaned.